Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ type questions in chapter directing. The first question, sport.com, there is no reward and appreciation for the good suggestion. Thus, the subordinate are not willing to offer any use suggestion to their superior. Identify the type of barrier to communication that has been created in the firm due to this. The options are A. Semantic barrier, B. Personal barrier, C. Organizational barrier, D. Psychological barrier. The answer for this question is option B, that is personal barrier. Now second, M.R. Sarthi, the ex-chairman of Sudesh Limited, built up his successor before retiring. Following the norms set up by him, he handed over the reins of the company to the co-founder of Mr. Sarwan, who had the potential to bring out the change in the behavior of others. Named the concept of management, which was the reason which Mr. Sarthi chose Mr. Sarwan to be his successor. The A. Motivation, B. Leadership, C. Communication, D. Staffing. The answer is for this question is option B, that is leadership. Now next question, which other functions preparing a setting of for action? Name the functions that initiate action in the organization. The options are A. Planning, B. Organizing, C. Staffing, D. Directing. The answer is option D, that is directing. Next question, identify the level at which the directing function take place in an organizations. The options are A. Top level management, B. Middle level management, C. Lower level management, D. All of the above. The answer for this question is option D, all of the above. Next question, it means the process of making subordinate to act in a desired manner to achieve the certain organizational goals. Options are A. Supervision, B. Communication, C. Leadership, D. Motivation. The answer is for this question is option C, that is leadership. Next question, effective motivation in the organization does not contribute towards. Options are A. Developing performance level of employee, B. Helping to reduce employee turnover, C. Developing resistance to change in the organization, D. All of the above. The option for this question is option C, that is developing resistance to change in the organization. Next question, Mohit recently got a rise in his salary due to the annual increment. Which of his human need is being satisfied through this? Options A. Security needs, B. Belonging needs, C. Self actualization needs, D. Basic psychological needs. Option D is the right answer, basic psychological needs. Now sixth question, it refers to all the measures which are used to motivate people to improve the performance. A. Leadership, B. Motivation, C. Incentive, D. Communication. C is the right answer, that is incentive. Next question, Ashutosh worked as a manager in a Kuber Limited. Beside the salary, the company offered him a benefit such as free housing, medical aid, education to the children, etc. Identify the type of incentive being offered to him. The A. Prerequisite, B. Job enrichment, C. Co-partnership, D. Payment and allowance. Option A is the right answer, that is prerequisite. Now next question, on joining Qatar Limited, a chief financial officer Madhu Mita was allotted 500 share of a company. Identify the type of incentive being described. A. Prerequisite, B. Retirement benefit, C. Co-partnership, D. Pay and allowances. Option C is the right answer, co-partnership.